Hello, in this tutorial we're going to go over how to create a question paper in the assignment papers menu. First you're going to want to figure out whether you have at least teacher permission to do so before we can continue. Next you can go to the assessment papers menu and then you can go to the create assessment paper. Right now we currently have 0. So in the create assessments paper menu we can set a name for our paper that we're about to make. I will set it as English 2019 underscore paper 1. Then for the exam body we can select anyone, CBSE, and then we can select our grade, suppose grade 12, subject English. And if we want to create an entire subject question paper we can leave chapter and topic blank, but if you want to be more specific you can go in and select what you need specifically. Now we have two options. We can either create a paper with random questions giving parameters and it will automatically generate a question paper, or we can pick and choose questions we want to make. For now we'll just do random question paper. What we can do is we can suppose select 10 questions. Question type, let's choose subjective because it's English and that is most likely due, but we can select multiple. For now let's just pick subjective. Question source, let's do public. So all of the questions available in the public domain can go in this paper. And if there's a specific contributor that we want, we can select them from here. But if you don't, any contributor is fine, then we can just leave it blank. And we can just click create question paper, assessment created successfully. Then we can create OK. Click OK. And then now we can see that when it was created, the paper name we set for it, our teacher name, and then the paper, the exam body we used, the grade, the subject, how many marks it's out of, and how many questions, which we set as 10. Now we can do one of like 3 things. We can view the assessment paper in Google Portal itself. And from here we have all of the parameters again. And we can go through all the questions and see what they are. And if that's good, if we want to update some stuff, let's suppose we go back and we want to update it, we can just say update assessment paper. And then we can go through and edit how many marks, the order of the questions, we want to delete specific ones. And yeah, and then we can just click save and exit, but since we didn't do anything, we can just go back. And now, another thing we can do is view it as a PDF. So if we click this, then it will generate our question paper as a PDF. Here you go. Now we have all of the questions that we just had in a PDF so we can easily print and distribute in hard copy for tests or practice. And then one more thing we can do is we can assign this paper to a group, which there's another tutorial for after. Other than that, that is how we create assessment papers in Google Portal. Thank you.